What's up, family? How you doing? I hope you're doing great. So I'm back with another episode. We need to find another person who's so kind to us. Do we still have people that are so kind in this world? If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that every time I post my video, you'll be the first one to be notified. I go by the name Bon Victor. As usual, I'm going to pretend like I'm a blind person, okay? I'll pretend like I'm a blind person. Sorry. I'm going to pretend like I'm a blind person. Did I just wear these glasses nice? I don't think so. Alright, like this, family. Alright. So I'm going to pretend like I'm a blind person. Let's find this person who is very kind so that we can bless the person. Today, I'm going to bless the person with 3,000. Then after that, then I'll bless another person with another maybe 1,000 or maybe 2,000. I don't know, it depends. It's not because I have a lot, but we're just trying to teach people how to be kind. I don't have anything with me, but with whatever little I have, God has blessed me with, we just have to find that kind person that we can bless, because through kindness, through giving, that's when God blesses you more. So family, you're with me. I go by the name Bon Victor. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put that notification bell, and also comment and give a like this, and don't forget to share it so that every time I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So let's go and find this person. Today we're at Mbagati. There's a place called Mbagati High School. So I'm in this road. We still need to find one person who is so kind. Are you going to be the one? Will you be among all the person that I'm going to find? Let's do this, family. Here. Is there a road here? Do you think you can help me with something? Do you think you can help me with something? Like food? Like food? Yes, can you help me with food? You are selling goods? Oh, fruits? You are selling? Is this the fruit?
Yeah.
What type of fruits are you selling?
Many types.
Like what?
Like orange.
Orange.
Yeah. White sapota.
White what?
White sapota.
White sapota.
Yeah.
And what?
Avocado.
Avocado.
Yeah.
Is it your business? Can you help me with something to eat, please?
This business is not mine.
It's not yours,
Yeah.
but you are the one selling.
Yeah, I'm the one selling.
So you can't help me.
I can't help you.
Okay. No, it's fine.
This business is not mine.
Business is not yours?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
water myself, but I can give you something.
You want to give me something to eat? Oh, serious? God bless you. Oh, okay.
You want avocado, you want something like what?
Avocado is fine, no problem.
Avocado is
Okay. Why did you help me? You told me the business is not yours. Why did you help me?
that's not my type.
Because you want to help me.
Yeah.
Is your boss not going to trouble you?
No.
I'm sorry. I was very hungry. Nobody gave me food.
Why are you speaking English? Well, you are not a Kenyan.
Thank you.
Welcome.
The avocado is very nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
What is your name?
My name is Peter Musyoka.
Peter.
Peter.
Peter, you have given me something that doesn't belong to you. How are you going to tell your boss?
I'm going to tell her I eat myself.
You say you ate yourself.
Yeah.
But why have you helped me, Peter?
I help you because I like to see people like you.
You like helping people.
Yeah.
But this is dangerous. It's not yours, and you have sacrificed yourself to help me, Peter.
Yes, I sacrifice myself to help you.
God bless you, Peter. Do you have a family, Peter?
I've got a family and grandchildren.
You have grandchildren, Peter?
Yes.
Thank you, Peter.
Then you come.
Can I have water to wash my hands, Peter?
Yeah, so you can get water. Wash your hands.
I wash my hands.
Yeah.
Thank you, Peter.
Welcome.
God bless you, Peter. God bless you, Peter. You know what, Peter? God loves you. Do you believe in God?
God love me.
Do you believe in God, Peter?
Yeah, I believe God.
Do you believe in God?
Yeah.
Do you know that God loves you? You know what, Peter?
Yes.
I'm not blind.
Yeah.
I just wanted to find somebody who is very kind.
Yes.
And you're one of the kind person. Do you believe in God?
Yeah, I believe God.
You believe in God? Peter, because of your kindness, I'm blessing you with 3,000.
Is it mine?
It is yours.
Why do you give me?
Because you're so kind, Peter.
Yes.
And God bless you, Peter.
Yes.
God loves you, Peter. God loves you, Peter. Let me hug you, Peter. I love you. I love you so much, Peter. And God loves you.